Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Roger. Roger's been trading with us from 26th of February 2021 up until the present date of review, 7th of June 2021. This is Roger's journey. Roger's had a drawdown of minus 1.07%, hit the lowest drawdown of minus 4.51%, but at the end of the day, consistently held the balance of the account and hit his take profit level at 10%. Rogers had a daily gain of 0.18%, a monthly gain of 5.82%, and a drawdown of 8.92% in total, but still managing 60,000 US dollars. So Rogers hit his 10% two times. So when you hit your 10% the first time, it's normally the hardest part, but once you hit it once, it's always easier to hit it for the second time. Roger has a total of 100 trades within the short time of trading with us from February up until the present day of June. His strike rate is 66 out of 100, which represents 66% he's right most of the time, and lost 34. He's only lost 34%. So 34 out of 100 represents 34%. So looking at Roger's journey now, let's see what trades helped him get to this journey. And as we can see, Roger's traded quite a few pairs, but the big gains came from the pound yen, the pound New Zealand dollar, the pound US dollar, New Zealand dollar US dollar, and US dollar CAD, followed by the biggest gain on the euro New Zealand dollar. That's what helped Roger get to 10%. So Roger's diversified very well. But unfortunately, Roger hasn't been successful trading the pound CAD. So I would just recommend in the future, stick to what works for you and what gives you the consistent gains. So the pound CAD hasn't worked for you, so I recommend you let that be and leave it alone. Don't focus on that. Focus on pairs that give you consistent gains. And this is how you're going to get onto the level of consistency. So it's a very good attempt here. Let's look at your monthly analytics. February you had 0%. I take it you didn't trade. March 2.87%. You traded that. April minus 6.01%. You were down. May you're up by 18.42%. And in June you're up by 5.8%, which represents growth. So this is a lot of hard work put into your account, and congratulations on that. And at the moment we can see you're in profit as well. So I always recommend to traders, always secure your profits early. Also, let's just see a bit of your history, what you've done. And the only thing I'll recommend and tell you is always put a stop loss in place to protect you from uncertainty and potential big losses along the way. Because at the end of the day, it's just good discipline, good housekeeping. Keep your discipline and consistency conservatively consistent. You'll always be in the money and you're always going to make profit. And as we can see, your pip gains are between 23 pips to 100 pips plus. And this is what reflects on all your gains. You've taken one lot, and you've done very well on this. So congratulations on this, and this is a good achievement. You've held this trade for about an hour, 40 minutes you made money. And you've held another trade as well for over a few days to hours. So these are great attempts. So don't stop what you're doing. Keep up the good work. Maintain your discipline and consistency. And I wish you all the best moving forward for the next account, which will be 120,000 US dollars. So congratulations and all the best.